Hi guys, my name is Romdiana. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried rice. This is the easy and the simple. So let's get started.
Red chili 1 clove, 1 sheet of green onion, garlic 1 clove, red onion 2 cloves, meatball 3 slices, sauce 2 slices, 1 basil leaf, and 1 egg. Rice, oil, sweet soy sauce, and salt. Add the onion, garlic, and red chili into the mortar and pour. Put the oil, fry the egg into scramble and set aside. Then sauteed with enough oil. Add the egg, sauce, meatball, and the spice. Plate. Fried rice has been prepared and serving on a serving plate. The last, put the basil leaf and this. Okay.